viewers. This is Alex ONG of Autoline Motorsports. We're featuring today a Toyota 86 ZN6 HKS V2 Supercharger Kit installation. This supercharger kit comes with the supercharger, the recirculating blow-off valve, the supercharger HKS GT2 comes with aluminum charge pipes, comes with aluminum air intercooler, and of course the aluminum supercharger cooler. Bolt on, completely bolt on for the stock FA20 engine. It is expected to produce added 70 wheel horsepower from stock baseline 150 wheel horsepower once it is dyno tuned with ECU Tech software. We are Autoline Motorsports. We are located at T. Ayala Street, corner Sobel Rojas Street, Manila, Philippines. I'm Alex ONG. You can contact us at 0915-535-4091. Happy viewing. Thanks.